Stop foods from sticking to the pan. To prevent meals from sticking to the pan, use a non-stick pan. To prevent food from sticking to the bottom of your pans, never put cold foods in a hot pan. Also, don't place food in a pan that isn't completely clean. Otherwise, the buildup could result in burned food. Don't be afraid to try new things. A great chef isn't afraid to deviate from a recipe and add their own flair. Make a note on the recipe whenever you make a substitution or addition, so you remember whether you like the change or not the next time you make it. Organize your recipe collection. When you're ready to cook, nothing is more aggravating than being unable to locate your favorite recipe. Find a strategy for finding your recipes that you can keep near at hand in the kitchen, and to keep things organized. Subscribing to our YouTube channel and saving our recipes at secure place, or printing them off and keeping them at your refrigerator door, is a terrific choice. And it's much easier to locate and replace them at any moment. Peel garlic easily. Peeling garlic can be a pain, until you know this handy little trick. Place a clove flat on a hard surface, and squish it down with the flat side of a large knife. Hearing a pop when you've pressed firmly enough, indicating that the peel has separated. Easily grate cheese. To make grating cheese easier, place it in the freezer for an hour before shredding. This will harden the cheese to the point where it can be grated, without affecting its flavor or texture. Stop water from boiling over. To ensure that the water does not boil over, add a thin coating of butter around the rim of the pan to protect it from boiling over during cooking. Rice, pasta, and potatoes all benefit from this method. And if this does not work, then a wooden spoon crossing the pan might do the trick. Make use of the scissors in your kitchen. You probably only use your kitchen scissors to open packages and milk bags so far. Why not consider using your scissors the next time you're opening pitas or cutting chicken into strips? Chefs frequently employ them in the preparation of meats and other foods. It's usually advisable to keep a pair of food scissors separate from the rest of your scissors. And, because they have crevices where bacteria can lurk, make sure you clean them well after each usage.
something underway.